It was like basically like a Dateline for children. Like they just had like the world's problems on Nickelodeon.
Legit problems too.
Later we're up.
Fucking dying.
Is banana still the code?
Banana is still the code. It's not banana. No.
Not banana?
No.
No banana.
Apples?
No.
Oh. No, I'm saying there is no banana.
Apples and bananas. That should be the code. Can you just sing that when they come? Get me out of it.
Shut up.
Alright, you can go with
This is all Katie's fault.
This is all Katie's fault.
But in a funny way. It was just
Look at his hair. It's huge.
I'm allergic to the forest.
I'm allergic to the forest.
I am. Come look at it. Too.
For anybody out there who knows how to get rid
of paranoia.
when under the influence of marijuana.
Whoa, whoa. They can't just turn off all the fucking lights. Aishay is a part of this, by the way.
We need to know.
Do you remember turning?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I don't remember turning.
He's sweating more than I am.
Hard as shit, yeah.
You sweat so much too.
Yeah, I think I have hyposyndrome.
It's rubbing off
I think it's because you're black.
No, I think it's hyposyndrosis.
I think it's because you're black.
It's excessive sweating disorder.
Yeah, black.
You don't excessively sweat.
I'm pouring right now.
We don't have a can opener. Kendall!
Oh!
What the fuck are you doing? That was so stupid. You completely missed the can. This is Friday night's dinner. Chicken and potatoes.
Go on without me.
This is like Alyssa's 5-star, mattress with a sleeping bag, and this is my bullshit. Already deflated. We've been here for 2 hours. Real? What? Alright, you can't. If you say drink,
we
or
never
drunk,
said F in my ass.
oh, whatever. So it's gone.
Not a rule anymore.
If you say drink, or drunk, you have to put your chin on the table to the next turn.
Oh, so well?
I drink. You're the drink. Well, I drink. Keep swearing. This is awesome, Katie. You're screwed. And then I want to
make a date.
Fuck.
I think it's a nigga date.
Fuck.
Everybody's drinking. Yours.
Oh, that's all this controversy caused by ADHD? Dude, go away. Whoa. Oh, okay, great.
This is unreal.
I've never had my chicken ticket in a winner.
Alright, ice cream.
Oh, okay. You walked out now. You know what you started. Coffee.
No, it's supposed to rhyme.
Sick.
This is more bloopers, but...
And we're wearing, like, our uniforms.
This is more bloopers.